I'm Stefania.
And I'm Giovanna. Let's see our conversation.
What do you mean about English speaking and explain your reason?
I think my English skill is better for reading, but not for meeting or presentation in front of us.
English speaking ability is the skill of using English to communicate well, orally, and in writing. I think my English speaking skill is better.
How long you been learning English?
I have been learning English since I entered kindergarten school. How about you?
I think so. I learned English since I'm from kindergarten, like ABC or 1 to 3.
What strategies can be done to learn English?
I'm tutoring and studying more. How about you?
My strategies is learning to English songs or movies, practice in daily, and I like reading English story too.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.